Class, today we will discuss about the problems which are based upon molar conductance, equivalent conductance, specific conductance, and how the variation factors affecting variation of conductance. We will discuss these things in these classes. And last class I have given you the formula. Last class I have given you the formula basing upon molar conductance, equivalent conductance, and specific conductance. Basing upon this, we will solve the problems. Basing upon this, we will solve the problems. Clear? So, molar conductance. Already we have discussed molar conductance lambda m equal to kappa into 1000 by concentration. Concentration. I have already told this in the last class, and also we can express it. Molar conductance equal to kappa into 1000 by molarity. Lambda m equal to kappa into 1000 by molarity. So this is all about molar conductance. Next is equivalent conductance. Equivalent conductance equal to kappa into 1000 by concentration, or lambda E equal to kappa into 1000 by normality. Clear? So this is all about molar conductance and this is all about equivalent conductance and molar conductance. Is that clear? So basing upon this, we will solve the problems. And one formula I have not told. Another thing, lambda m equal to n into lambda E. Very important formula also. Look at molar conductance equal to n into lambda E. Lambda E is equivalent conductance. So molar conductance equal to n into lambda E. What is n? N equal to n equal to total number of positive or negative charge divided by total number of positive or negative charge divided by formula unit of the electrolyte. Formula unit of the electrolyte. N equal to total number of positive or negative charge divided by formula unit of the electrolyte. Clear? Is that clear? So how can you calculate N? Total number of positive or negative charge divided by formula unit of the electrolyte, that will give the value of N. Or we can say that N equal to acidity or basicity, or we can say that N equal to acidity or basicity. 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 Is that clear? So this is all about equivalent conductance, molar conductance, and specific conductance. Kappa equal to C into L by A. This is one formula. Or kappa equal to 1 by R into L by A. This is another formula. Basing upon this formula, we will solve this problem. Clear? So kappa specific conductance or conductivity equal to 1 by resistance into L by A cell constant. Kappa specific conductance equal to specific conductance or conductivity equal to conductance into cell by cell constant. L by A is cell constant. I have also given all the units of what is specific conductance, what is conductance, what is cell constant, and what is the unit of equivalent conductance, what is the unit of molar conductance, etc. I have given all these things. Clear? Next, Today we discuss about the problems based upon this formula. Today we will discuss about the problems based upon this formula. Clear? I will solve some problems basing upon this formula. Is that clear? Because these are the important problems which will come in your council. Basing this pattern questions will come in your council exams. Basing on this type of questions will come in your council exams. So we will discuss this type of problems. So write down the problems first. The resistivity questions. Question 1, the resistivity, question, write down the question, the resistivity of 0.8 m solution of the resistivity of 0.8 m solution of an electrolyte. The resistivity of 0.8 m solution of an electrolyte is 5 into 10 to the power minus 3 m. 5 into 10 to the power minus 3 m ohm cm. Ohm cm. Calculate the molar conductivity. Calculate the molar conductivity. Calculate the molar conductivity of the solution. Calculate the molar conductivity of the solution. Calculate the molar conductivity of the solution. Clear? So look at the question. The resistivity of a 0.8 m solution. The resistivity of 0.8 m solution of an electrolyte is 5 into 10 to the power minus 3 mole. 5 into 10 to the power minus 3 m. 5 into 10 to the power minus 3 ohm centimeter. Ohm cm. Question. Look at this. The resistivity of 0.8 m solution of an electrolyte is 5 into 10 to the power minus 3 ohm centimeter. Calculate the molar conductivity of the solution. Calculate the molar conductivity of the solution. Answer. Conductivity. We know that conductivity kappa conductivity or specific conductance equal to 1 by rho. Conductivity equal to conductivity kappa. It is conductivity or it is specific conductance. Kappa equal to 1 by resistivity that is rho. Conductivity kappa equal to 1 by resistivity 1 by rho. So 1 by rho is how much? Resistivity rho given how much? 5 into 10 to the power minus 3. 5 into 10 to the power minus 3. So conductivity kappa equal to 1 by resistivity 1 by 3. So kappa value equal to 1 by 5 into 10 to the power minus 3. So we have to calculate what? Molar conductivity or molar conductance. We have to calculate the molar conductivity or molar conductance. So what is the formula? We know that lambda m equal to kappa into 1000 by concentration. 1000 by concentration. So what is kappa? Kappa equal to 1 by 5 into 10 to the minus 3. So we can put this in this kappa specific conductance value here. So 1 into 1000 divided by 5 into 10 to the power minus 3 into concentration is how much? 0.8. 0.8. So 1 by this into 0.8. So this will come 0.25 into 0.25 into 10 to the power 6. So what is the unit of molar conductance? You have to write the unit. Molar conductance ohm inverse centimeter square mole. Ohm inverse centimeter square mole inverse. So kappa equal molar conductance equal 0.25 into 10 to the 6 ohm inverse centimeter square mole inverse. So this is lambda m. Lambda m, what is lambda m? Molar conductance. Lambda m is molar conductance. Lambda m is molar conductance. Clear? Lambda m is molar conductance. Is that clear? So this is first question. Second question. Question number 1. Next question number 2. We will solve problems basing upon this in this class. Next question, specific conductance, question number 2. Specific conductance or conductivity. Specific conductance or conductivity of a decinormal. Specific conductance or conductivity of a decinormal solution of KCl. Specific conductance or conductivity of a decinormal solution of KCl is 0.011 ohm inverse centimeter inverse. Ohm inverse centimeter inverse. Specific conductance or conductivity of a decinormal solution of KCl is 0.0112 ohm inverse centimeter inverse. The resistance of the cell, containing the resistance of a cell containing the solution, the resistance of a cell containing the resistance of a cell containing the solution is 55 ohm. 55 ohm. Calculate the cell constant. Calculate the cell constant. Calculate the cell constant. Clear? Look at this. The question is given: the specific conductance or conductivity of a decinormal solution of KCl is 0.0112 ohm inverse second inverse. He has given the specific conductance kappa value is given. Specific conductance kappa value is given. The resistance of a cell containing the solution is 55 ohm. The resistance of a cell containing the solution is 55 ohm. Calculate the cell constant. We have to calculate the cell constant L by A. Cell constant is L by A. We have to calculate the value of cell constant. We know that in this question, first we know that conductance C equal to 1 by R. Conductance equal to 1 by R. So 1 by R. Resistance 1 by R. 1 by R resistance. R resistance is how much? 55. 1 by 55, that is conductance. So conductance C equal to conductance is the reciprocal of resistance. C equal to 1 by R. 1 by resistance is 55 given. So this is the value of conductance. This is the value of conductance. C equal to 1 by 55. So he has calculate the cell constant. We have to calculate the cell constant. Next, again we know that kappa equal to C into L by A. That is specific conductance equal to conductance into cell constant. So kappa equal to C equal to how much? 1 by 55 into cell constant L by A. We have to calculate this. Given kappa is how much? Kappa equal to 0.0112 into divided by 1 by 55 into L by A. We have to calculate the L by A. We have to calculate the L by A. So L by A equal to 0.616 centimeter inverse. 0.616 centimeter inverse. Ly equal to 0.616 centimeter inverse. So this is the cell constant equal to 0.616 centimeter. Cell constant, what is the unit of cell constant? Centimeter inverse or meter inverse? You have to write this unit. So this is second question. This is in this question he has given the resistance value. We know that conductance equal to reciprocal of resistance 1 by resistance. Conductance equal to 1 by resistance कितने 55. So the conductance equal to 1 by 55. Then again we know that kappa equal to C into L by A. So specific conductance equal to conductance into cell constant. Kappa equal to 1 by 55. Conductance into cell constant L by A. So L by, we have to calculate L by A. L by A equal to 55 into this. So 0.616 centimeter inverse. So this is the value of cell constant. This is the value of cell constant. Next, third question. Third question. The resistance of the resistance of 0.01 and the resistance of 0.01 and solution, the resistance of 0.01 and solution of an electrolyte is 210 ohm. Calculate the equivalent conductivity of the solution, cell constant, centimeter inverse. Calculate the equivalent conductivity of the solution, cell constant equal to 0.88 centimeter inverse. So look at the question. The resistance of 0.01 and solution of an electrolyte is 210. Calculate the equivalent conductivity. Calculate the equivalent conductivity or conductance. Calculate the equivalent conductivity or conductance of the solution given that cell constant equal to 0.88 centimeter inverse. So he has given the cell constant value. He has given the resistance value. First we have to calculate equivalent conductance. What is the formula? Equivalent conductance equal to kappa into 1000 by normality. So we have to first calculate specific conductance. So first we know that C equal to 1 by R. Conductance equal to 1 by resistance. 1 by 210. So conductance equal to 1 by R. First conductance, this is conductance value. Ohm inverse. Next we know that kappa equal to C into L by A. Kappa equal to specific conductance equal to conductance into cell constant. Conductance is how much? 1 by 210. Then cell constant is given 0.88. So conductance equal to 1 by specific conductance kappa equal to conductance 1 by 210 into 0.88. So this gives the value. This gives directly thought. This is ohm inverse centimeter inverse. Next we know that again we know that equivalent conductance equal to kappa into 1000 by normality. Equivalent conductance equal to kappa into 1000 by normality. So look at kappa is how much? 1 by this 1 by 210 into 0.88. 1000 by normality is given how much? 0.01. So kappa is 1 by 200 into 0.01 into 88 0.88 into 1000. Equivalent conductance equal to kappa into 1000 by normality. Equivalent conductance equal to kappa into 1000 by normality. So we have to check this. Kappa is how much? 1 by 200 into 0.88. The normality equal to 0.01 into 1000. This is the formula. So we have to put all these value in this formula. We have to put all these value of specific conductance and normality of the solution, that is concentration, in this formula. So look at equivalent conductance equal to kappa is how much? 1 by 200 into 0.88. 1 by 200 into 0.88 into normality 0.01. Normality 0.01 into 1000. So this will give the value. This will give the value 419. Gram equivalent. So this is the answer. 419 ohm inverse centimeter square gram equivalent inverse. This is the unit of equivalent conductance. So this is the answer. First, in this question, first we will calculate the conductance. Conductance equal to 1 by R. Conductance equal to 1 by R. Conductance equal to 1 by reciprocal of resistance. C equal to 1 by R. 1 by R is dispatch value. Then kappa equal to C into L by A. Kappa equal to C into L by A. Kappa equal to C is how much? 1 by 200 into 0.88. Then again we know that equivalent conductance equal to kappa into 1000 by equivalent conductance equal to kappa into 1000 by normality. So kappa is 1 by 200 into 0.88 into normality 0.01 into 1000. 419 ohm inverse centimeter square gram equivalent inverse. Clear? Next, problem number 4. Next, calculate the next question for calculate the equivalent conductivity. Calculate the equivalent conductivity of calculate the equivalent conductivity of 1m H2SO4. Calculate the equivalent conductivity of 1m H2SO4 solution. If its conductance if its conductivity is 26 into 10 to the power if its conductivity is 26 into 10 minus 2 ohm inverse if its conductivity is 26 into 10 minus 2 ohm inverse centimeter inverse. Calculate the equivalent conductivity of 1m H2SO4. 1m H2SO4. So 1m H2SO4. Here you should remember 1m H2SO4 equal to 2m H2SO4. 1m H2SO4 equal to 2m H2SO4. So equivalent conductance. We have to calculate equivalent conductance lambda E. So what is given? Conductivity. Conductivity means specific conductance. So we know that equivalent conductance equal to kappa into 1000 by normally. So kappa is given how much? 26 into 10 to the power minus 2 into 1000 divided by normality. Normality is how much? Normality is 2 because 1m H2SO4 equal to 2m H2SO4. Normality molarity equal to n into normality. So here 1m H2SO4 equal to 2m H2SO4. So here n equal to how much? Normality equal to 2m 2. So normality equal to 2. We are putting this in this equation. So answer will come 130. If you cancel this will come 130 ohm inverse centimeter square gram equivalent inverse. Ohm inverse centimeter square gram equivalent. Ohm inverse centimeter square gram equivalent inverse. Here. So this is equivalent conductance. This is equivalent conductance. Is that clear? So this is equals question number 4. Next question number 5. Question number 5. The electrical resistance the electrical resistance of a column of the electrical resistance of a column of 0.05 NaOH solution of diameter. The electrical resistance of a column of 0.05 NaOH solution of diameter 1 cm and length, diameter 1 cm and length 50 cm. 50 cm is 5.5 into 10 to the power 3 ohm. 5.55 into 10 to the power 3 ohm. Calculate its resistivity. Calculate its resistivity conductivity and molar conductivity Look at this question. Write down the electrical resistance of a column. The electrical resistance of a column of 0.05 NaOH solution of diameter 1 cm and length 50 cm. Length 50 cm is 5.55 into 10 to the power 3 ohm. Calculate its resistivity. Calculate its resistivity, conductivity and molar conductivity. Calculate its resistivity, conductivity and molar conductivity. Clear? Diameter is given how much? Diameter is 1 cm. Look at diameter is given 1 cm. Diameter is given 1 cm. So radius r equal to 0.5 cm because radius equal to d by 2. Because radius equal to d by 2. Diameter होला d. Diameter is d. Diameter d equal to 1 cm. Radius r equal to d by 2. Radius r equal to d by 2. So that is 1 cm by 2. That is 0.5 cm. Radius equal to 0.5 cm. So this is diameter is given. We are calculating radius. Radius is how much? D by 2, 0.5 cm. Next, length is given. Length is given. We know that area equal to how much? Area equal to pi r square. Area equal to pi r square. Pi is how much? 3.5 is how much? 3.14 into r is 0.5 cm square. 3.14 into 0.5 square. So that will give 0.785 cm. Unit is centimeter square. Centimeter square. So area equal to pi r square 3.14 into 0.5 square 0.785 centimeter square. This is area. Next, resistivity rho equal to R into A by L. Resistivity equal to R A by L. R is given how much? Look at the electrical resistance of column of it is 5.55 into 10⁻³ ohm. 5.55 into 10⁻³ ohm. Resistance is given this much. So R is 5.55 into 10⁻³ into area. A is 0.785 divided by L. L is how much? L is how much? Length is how much? 50 cm. Length is how much? 50 cm. So resistivity rho equal to RA by L. R equal to 5.55 into 10⁻³ into L 0.785 by 50. It has been 87.135 ohm. Resistivity unit ohm cm. So look at this. First is diameter. Diameter is given how much? 1 centimeter. Radius equal to d by 2, 0.5 cm. Next is area. We have to calculate area of the length of the conductor. Area of the conductor pi r square. Pi value is 3.14 into r 0.5 square. This will give 0.785 centimeter square. Next is resistivity. Resistivity rho equal to R A by L. R is 5.55 into 10⁻³ into A is 0.785 by 50. 87.135 ohm centimeter. This is resistivity. Next is molar conductivity. Molar conductivity kappa into 1000 by concentration. 1000 by concentration or it is molarity. Kappa is how much? Kappa is how much? 1 by resistivity रा काढियो पड़िबो kappa look at kappa equal to so एटा लास्ट पे पड़िबो kappa equal to again 1 by rho which is equal to 1 by 87.135 1 by 87.135. This is kappa. Next we have to calculate this value will come 0.01148 ohm inverse. Kappa equal to 1 by rho. 1 by 87.135 0.01148 ohm inverse centimeter inverse. Next is molar conductivity. Lambda equal to kappa into 1000 by molarity. So kappa is how much? 0.1148 into 1000 divided by molarity. Molarity is how much? 0.05. 0.05. You have to calculate this value. This will come 229.6. 229.6 ohm inverse centimeter square mole inverse. Ohm inverse centimeter square mole inverse. Ohm inverse centimeter square mole inverse. So first in this question what we have calculated? Diameter is given, radius we have to calculate. Radius is r by 2 plus d by 2. Radius is d by 2, that is 1 by 2, 0.5 centimeter. 0.5 centimeter. Next is area equal to pi r square. Pi is 3.14 into r is 0.5 per square, 0.785 centimeter square. Next resistivity. Resistivity rho equal to r a by n. Resistivity rho equal to r a by n. 5.55 into 10 by 3 into 0.785 by 50, 87.135 ohm centimeter. Next is kappa equal to 1 by rho, 1 by 87.135, 0.01148 ohm inverse centimeter inverse. Next lambda n, molar conductance equal to specific conductance into kappa is specific conductance or conductivity into 1000 by molarity 0.1148. Sorry, it is 0. 0.01148 into 1000 by 0.5. 0.5. So that will give 229.6. 229.6 ohm inverse centimeter square mole inverse. Here. और ये को भी ऐसे करियो ये बोलिए 229.6 229.6 into 10 to the power minus 4. 229.6 into 10 ohm inverse centimeter square mole inverse. So this is all about this question. Next question is 0.6. Question number 6. Question number 6. NaOH solution. 0.05 NaOH solution offered a resistance of 0.05 NaOH solution offered a resistance of 31.6 ohm. 0.05 NaOH solution offered a resistance of 31.6 ohm in a conductivity cell. at 298 Kelvin. At 298 Kelvin. 0.05 NaOH solution offered a resistance of 31.6 ohm in a conductivity cell at 298 Kelvin. If the cell constant of the cell is, if the cell constant of the cell constant of the cell is 0.376 centimeter inverse, calculate the molar conductance. Calculate the molar conductance. Calculate the molar conductance of the NaOH solution. Calculate the molar conductance of the NaOH solution. 0.05 NaOH solution offered a resistance of 31.6 ohm in a conductivity cell at 298 Kelvin. If the cell constant of the cell is 0.376 centimeter inverse, calculate the molar conductance. Calculate the molar conductance of the NaOH solution. So given that, what are the terms given? First, given m equal to 0.05. M equal to 0.05 m equal to 0.05 m. Clear? Resistance is given how much? R equal to 31.6 ohm. M equal to 0.05 m. R equal to 31.6 ohm. Cell constant is given. Cell constant L by A is given 0.376 centimeter inverse. Cell constant L by A equal to 0.376 centimeter inverse. Next, we know that kappa equal to 1 by R into L by A. We know that kappa equal to specific conductance equal to 1 by conductance or 1 by resistance or conductance into L by A. 1 by R, 1 by, put the value 1 by R is 31.6 into L by A is given how much? 0.376. 0.376. So this will give 0.0116. 0.0116 ohm inverse centimeter inverse. Ohm inverse centimeter inverse. Ohm inverse centimeter inverse. So kappa equal to then we have to calculate this is kappa. Next, what is asked? Calculate the molar conductance of the NaOH. Molar conductance, we know that molar conductance equal to kappa into 1000 by molarity. Molarity. Kappa is given how much? 0.0116 into 1000 divided by polarity is given 0.05 সেটা আসিব 232 ohm inverse centimeter square ohm inverse centimeter square mole inverse. Next is we have to calculate next question. I am giving one questions. I am writing this question. This is home task. This is home task. I will try to solve it. Otherwise, next class I will solve this question. This is problematic class. Next class I will discuss the factors affecting the conductance and variation of equivalent conductance and molar conductance with dilution and collapse. With this, conductivity part will be finished. Next 1.5 class conductivity part will be finished. Next we will start the electrolysis part. Electrochemistry is divided into 3 categories. One is conductance part, second is electrolysis part, third is cell part, cell or battery part. 3 part. Electrochemistry is always divided in plus 2 level 3 part. Very important chapter, and try to follow each and every formula and each concept whatever I am discussing at the classes. So line by line try to follow this. Otherwise you cannot solve the problem which is asking in this electrochemical question. And most of the electrochemical reactions are pollution free. Very important thing is that electrochemical reactions are very pollution free. So next question I am writing only the questions. Try to solve this. This is home task. Otherwise next class I will solve this. Clear? Question number 7. Question number 7. I am writing the when a solution of specific conductance, when a solution of specific conductance, when a solution of specific conductance 1.342 into 10 to the power minus 2, 1.342 into 10 to the power minus 2 ohm inverse centimeter inverse. When a solution of specific conductance 1.342 into 10 to the power minus 2 ohm inverse centimeter inverse was placed in a cell, with parallel electrodes. The resistance was found to be the resistance was found to be 175.5 ohm. If the area of the electrode is If the area of the electrode is 1.86 centimeter square, find the cell constant. Find the cell constant, find the cell constant and the distance, find the cell constant and the distance between the electrons. Distance between the electrons. Next check this. When a solution of specific conductance, 1.342 into 10 to the minus 2, 1.342 into 10 to the minus 2 ohm inverse, centimeter inverse was placed in a cell with parallel electrodes. The resistance was found to be 175.5 ohm. The resistance was found to be 175.5 ohm if the area of the electrode is 1.86 centimeter square. Find the cell constant and the distance between the electrons. Try to solve this question. Otherwise, next class I will solve this question. Next we will discuss factors affecting variation of conductance and collapse flow. Factors variation of equivalent conductance and molar conductance with dilution. Factors affecting variation of conductance and molar conductance and variation of equivalent conductance and molar conductance with dilution. Variation of equivalent conductance and molar conductance with dilution, and factors affecting variation of conductance. Factors affecting variation of conductance and molar conductance and equivalent conductance with dilution. These two terms we will discuss, and collapse flow and third problem. With this conductivity part will be finished. Next 2.5 class conductivity part will be finished, because from this part he will definitely put question in this year. Thank you.